Hello everyone, my name is Darius. Today I will show you how to make very simple animation in Blender. I will use effects explode, smoke and fire. So first of all, delete the cube, K on the keyboard, then Shift A, add mesh, monkey. Change frame to 50 because I want that the explode animation will start at this moment. Add explode. Go to Object, Quick Effects, Quick Explode. You added explode animation. I will change some settings, amount of pieces, and outwards velocity. You can experiment with these settings, increase or decrease. Shift left on the keyboard to back to first frame, Alt A on the keyboard to play an animation. Numpad 0 go to camera render view, numpad 1 go to front view. To set camera render view to this front view, press Ctrl Alt 0 on the keyboard. So add another one animation, smoke effect. If you want that smoke starts at frame 1, set current frame to 1. You could change smoke style, smoke and fire. Press N on the keyboard to display View panel. Enable lock camera. Now you can navigate the 3D view as usual, while remaining in camera view. Press SK, then XK on the keyboard to scale the fire smoke animation box only to X dimension. Also, you can increase the resolution to 50 or more if you have a good computer, and enable Smoke Adaptive Domain and Smoke High Resolution for better looking animation. Press Render button to review how your one frame will look like. Change resolution to 100% if you want that your animation will be rendered at full HD dimension. You could change the folder where your animation frames will be saved. Disable override. It will help to stop and resume your render at every time you want. I will use PNG format. Click Animation button. Blender starts to render. I forgot to set final frame. Set final frame to 120 to reduce render time. It will take a while, so I will back when the render will be finished. You can check the render files at temple folder. The animation is complete. All frames are rendered. So you have a lot of rendered image files. So let's begin to render into a movie clip. So go to video editing, click add button, image, then find all render images. Press A on the keyboard to select all images and add image strip. Go to default, select AV format and click animation button. That's it. Your animation is rendered. You could find it in your temple folder. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.